You got hiccups?
Oh, they don't seem to bother you though.
Oh boy. Lean forward so we can get rid of them.
Little unicorn.
Oh.